fashion isn't something that you really plan out or anything. It's you wake up in the morning, you're running late, you don't even know if you're going to have time to wash your hair, but you're going to make sure that you're going to grab the best clothes for the day out of your closet. I guess I first started getting interested in haute couture and stuff, in like mode, when I snuck my sister's magazine of Nylon because it had a picture of a good-looking girl on it, and then I started leafing through the pages, and like I was just like so impressed with some of the clothes and the accessories that were in there. I think it's kind of a crock to think that fashion is a province of the rich. I think anybody can go to Salvation Army or to like anywhere really and find some great clothes, and like it's really just more about your eye for fashion rather than the amount of money in your wallet. I don't really consider myself to be the most fashion-forward guy. Case in point, I still wear the same fleece jacket that I got when I was in 8th grade. But it doesn't mean that I don't appreciate the lengths that people go through to make themselves look good. I guess I get most of my fashion sense and my appreciation for fashion from my friends. They're all really good looking people. I don't really have any ugly friends, and they all have their own unique style.